I'm going to share my screen real quick, and I'm just going to show you an example. We're going to make this super, super easy. You can see this is just a blank GPT screen, right? Everybody still with me? All right, perfect. I have no interest in moving to Birmingham, Michigan. Earlier, I just was looking around the map and said, where is probably the worst place ever that I don't want to go? And I'm going to find an agent there, right? Obviously, this is my ChatGPT. It knows me. And it's just a simple, I'm moving to Birmingham, Michigan. Who is the best agent for me to work with there? I want someone with lots of deals done and luxury experience. And it looks like I didn't even spell experience right.
Doesn't matter.
Right. Anybody know anybody that works there? Anybody want to bet? Anyone like waiters?
Joe Turkel.
Oh yeah, I work everywhere. Nope. So, okay, let it process. Let it go. I said I want someone with lots of deals. I want someone with luxury experience. I want someone that's going to cater to.
Naima says Perna team and Howard Hanna.
Oh, Howard Hanna's an entire brokerage. And I mean, the Perna team is basically a brokerage with, 100 plus people, but thankfully they're smart enough to be with EXP and Fast Forward. All right, number one, somebody from Sotheby's.
Okay.
Boo. Somebody from Keller Williams. Boo. Somebody else from Sotheby's. Boo. All right. Did our boy Michael Perna show up?
Oh, he should be on this call then.
Well, probably. Uh, what about Mike Perna? I heard he sold two, three houses before. Oh, yes, Mike, they even corrected me. Is established. Oh, it's talking about different things last 3 years. And they're saying if you want someone with big team muscles, so Mike, Elias, big, huge, beefy guys, big arms. If you're doing complex stuff, boom, there it is. Now, do you think that that's going to convince me to use him or not use him?
Kind of persuading you not to use them right there.
Right. Do we all know that Mike's probably one of the best operators in the nation? We do. So that's the thing, guys. If some of the best aren't showing up because they haven't gotten in on that ground floor, this is one of your biggest opportunities. I'm going to equate this to something that you can all really realize. So, how many of you, by raise of hand, have less than 30 Google reviews? Don't be shy. Okay. How many of you have 30 people that you might like?
Family, friends.
Yeah. Get some reviews because here's the thing. You have less than 30 and someone has 1,000, or I think Michael Perna and the team, they're about to crack like 3,000 Google reviews.
Then how the heck aren't they showing up better?
It's
Well,
not all
that's
about the reviews.
it's not all about the reviews,
Yeah.
and that's why I'm using it as the perfect example. If you have those just less than 30 reviews, do you feel like you're ever going to catch up to Michael Perna's 3,000 on just Google reviews? Lance, unmute, and I'm going to have you answer that. Does that feel like a mountain in front of you if you're comparing, 30 under versus 3,000?
Yeah, of course. I know
Okay,
we've built up my wife's side because she's
don't
been
worry
in.
about that. Don't
Yeah,
worry about that.
yeah.
Here's the thing. Does it take time to get 3,000 reviews?
Absolutely.
Right. So he took the time to get all of that all there and all set up. And at the end of the day, he will crush in that pillar. This, guys, is where you guys can crush and get the 3,000 head start on all of your competition. Because if you're doing the things that Kirby and I are talking about, and some of the things that we're going to go over today and that we've been testing, even if it's only half-assed, and I'm just going to be dead honest with you, you're going to outrank everyone else because they're not even starting. So what I would implore you, because Kirby so soft whispered it, downplayed it, and was chill about it, and I couldn't let it slide.